Have you ever wondered how an ordinary thick steel bar transforms into a massive chain, hundreds of meters long? A chain that isn't just used in any machine. These are the chains that hold the world's largest cargo ships in place. They secure the anchors, keep them stable, and protect the lives of thousands deep in the ocean. So let's take a dive into this epic journey of fire, pressure, and engineering to see how these giant anchor chains are made. The journey begins with powerful, thick steel bars. These aren't regular metal pieces. They're high-grade specialty steel designed to withstand extreme pressure, salty seawater, and years of wear without failing. Massive bridge cranes lift these bars into the first stage of production. Automatic bandsaws cut each bar to a precise length using cold cutting technology. Each cut piece is called an ingot, weighing over 100 kilograms. Every ingot will become one link of the anchor chain. Next, the ingots are arranged and sent into an induction furnace. Here, heat is generated not by fire, but by electromagnetic fields, reaching 1600 degrees Fahrenheit in just seconds. The ingots glow bright red like molten fire. Right out of the furnace, a giant hydraulic press bends each ingot into shape. An operator then slips the glowing link into the previous one. The next press applies hundreds of tons of force to close the two ends tightly. The moment it closes, a complete link is formed. But the job isn't done yet.
Resistance butt welding. Copper electrodes clamp the hot link firmly while a high voltage current is passed through it. The steel's resistance generates intense heat, melting the metal so the two ends fuse permanently. The link is no longer two pieces, it's now one solid, unbreakable ring. Excess material forms around the joint. A special press trims it perfectly smooth, ensuring each link is uniform and clean. Meanwhile, in a parallel line, studs are being made. These are the crossbars inside each link. Studs prevent the link from twisting, bending, or deforming under pressure. From heated steel, massive presses rapidly shape the studs. Hundreds of studs are produced every hour and collected in large containers. Back at the main line, the chain links are still glowing hot. An operator inserts a cold stud inside each link. As the hot link cools, it shrinks and grips the stud tightly. A skilled welder reinforces both ends with slight welding to ensure the stud never shifts.
But the system isn't complete yet. There is another crucial component, the shackle, which connects the anchor to the chain. The shackle must be even stronger than the chain links. It starts with a massive 265-pound carbon steel block. Cutting this block alone takes over 15 minutes. Then the block is heated in a furnace at 2200 degrees Fahrenheit for several hours. Glowing like fire, it is sent to a 6,000-ton press where extreme pressure forms the wide ears and thick body. After shaping, it is reheated and bent into its arched form using a giant hydraulic bender. Before it cools, it goes into a forging press mold, which forces the steel into every corner, forming a flawless shackle body. Excess metal is trimmed, and the entire surface is ground smooth. Next comes the shackle pin and nut. The pin is made from a 130-pound ingot. After heating and pressing, a hexagonal head is formed. A CNC machine cuts perfect threads with zero gap. Then comes the most critical part, three-step heat treatment. Heating, quenching, tempering. This process makes the steel extremely strong, yet flexible enough to avoid cracking under enormous pressure. Once the shackle and pin are completed, they undergo brutal testing.
Magnetic particle inspection to detect microcracks. Load testing with 2,400 tons of force to ensure no link deforms. After passing all tests, each link is ground smooth. The entire chain is then dipped into a 10-meter-deep asphalt coating pool. This water-based asphalt forms a tough protective layer that lasts many years against cold water, salt, and ocean currents. Finally, each section is stamped with a serial number for tracking. Massive cranes lift the finished chain sections and load them into containers. From here begins their journey to the decks of giant cargo ships. Storms, huge waves, deep currents. These chains fight against everything. They hold anchors weighing hundreds of tons. They protect cargo worth billions of dollars. Think about it. These giant links, born from a simple steel bar, are the backbone of global trade, safety, and ocean travel. When the anchor sinks into the deep sea and the ship stops, the real work of these iron giants begins. No matter the storm, the pressure, or the raging currents, these chains never fail, because they are forged through an extraordinary combination of fire, strength, science, and precision.